I want you to watch and see the steps I go through when I'm solving a word problem with equal groups. First off, I'm going to read it, and I'm going to put on my detective glasses and really look for words that give me clues that we're dealing with equal groups, okay? I'm looking for things that tell me the size of the group and how many groups there are. All right, here we go. Dallas has 4 sheets of stickers. 4 sheets of stickers. With 5 stickers on each sheet. Ooh, there's 5 stickers on each sheet. Each tells me that there's the same number on each sheet, which sounds like equal groups. So this tells me that this is a problem that I could use arrays on, because that word each. So the question says, how many stickers are there in all? I'm going to write a little T here because it's telling me I'm looking for my total. Okay. So there's 4 sheets of stickers with 5 stickers on each sheet. That sounds like there's 5 in each group. So the size of each group is going to be 5. I'm going to use rows because I think rows are easy to count by. And so I know that there's 5 in each row, because each row is going to be kind of like a sheet. And then there's 4 sheets. So I guess I'm going to draw 4 rows. Here we go. So this is going to show me how many are on the first sheet. That's 5 stickers. Then we have another sheet. That's 5 more. Then 5 more. But I remember that he has 4, right? So we're going to do 1 more row. That array is going to help me skip count, so I don't have to count it all one by one. So now that I'm ready to find my total, let's write that repeated addition sentence. I know that there's 5 in each row, so my repeated addition sentence is going to be adding what number over and over, everybody? You got it, it's 5. So we've got 5 for the first row, plus 5 for the second row, plus 5 for the next row, plus 5 for the next row. Looking for facts, I know I've got 10. And I've got another 10. Okay. Ooh, 10 plus 10, that's easy. 2 10s is just 20. So my total is 20. So the question was, how many stickers are there in all? And if I really want to be a great mathematician, I should use the units in the problem. And so it's not 20 elephants, it's 20 stickers. So I would write down 20 stickers for my answer. All right, we're gonna show you a new problem, and I want you to first just try solving the problem on your own before I show you, all right? So, I'm about to show it to you. Your first step is going to be listening while I read the problem and making sure that you circle any words and really listen for how many are in each group and how many groups there are, okay? Then you can go ahead and draw your array and write a repeated addition sentence. So this new problem says, Zaria is making necklaces for her friends, and she uses 3 beads for each necklace. How many beads does she need to make 5 necklaces? So I'm going to go ahead and you can pause this and work this out on your own, and then when you're ready to see how I would solve it, go ahead and press play. All right, I'm going to trust that you tried that on your own, and now I'm going to show you how I would solve it. She's making necklaces for her friends, and she uses 3 beads for each. Ooh, I saw that word each. That word tells me that it's time to draw arrays because I have what, Kipsters? Equal groups. There's 3 beads on each necklace, so there's 3 in each group if a necklace is a group. And there's 5 necklaces, so that tells me that there's 5 groups. All right, I'm going to do rows again just because I like rows. So there's going to be 3 in each necklace, 3 in each row. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do 1 for each necklace. So that's the first necklace, the next necklace, another necklace, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4. She wanted 5 necklaces though. So that's 5 necklaces. Next, what do I need to do? I don't remember. Oh, I need to write my repeated addition sentence. So I'm going to write that for the number in each group. I've got 1, 2, 3, so I'm going to add 3 over and over and over. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that's 1, 2, 3, We need one more, 3. So we have 5 necklaces with 3 beads each. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 3 more. 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 3. That's going to be 15. The last step is that I need to use my units, right? And so she needs 15 beads because she's making necklaces. So I'd write down the word beads. All right, I think it's time for another problem. This one's going to be a little trickier. It's going to have 2 parts. I wonder if you can challenge yourself to figure out what you need to do to your array to solve the second part of this new challenge problem. So here we go. For Brooklyn's birthday, she bought a box of cupcakes to share. The box had 5 rows of 6 cupcakes. Part A says, what is the total number of cupcakes? So what I want you to do right now is go ahead and draw an array and write a repeated addition sentence to show 5 rows of 6 cupcakes. So you're going to put 6 cupcakes in each row. Pause the video and go ahead and draw that right now. All right, I'm going to quick draw that to catch up with you guys. Here we go. So we're going to do 5 rows of 6. We're putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they're rows, so they go side to side. 6 go in each row. And we're going to keep going until we have 5 rows. Oh, they just barely fit. Okay, and then we're going to be adding 6 over and over because that's the number in each row. So we're going to do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. All right, 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus another 6. 12 plus 12 is 24. And then plus that 6 that's left over, we're going to get to 30. So she's got 30 cupcakes. Now let's try part B. It's a little trickier. Part B says her friends ate 1 row of cupcakes. So how many cupcakes does she have left? Go ahead and try that one on your own. And then when you're ready to see what I do, press play. So it says 1 row of cupcakes. The first thing I needed to do is think, how many is she starting with? Up here it said that she had 30 total cupcakes. So I'm going to say she's starting with 30. When a question asks me that how many are left, I know that I'm looking for a part. We're starting off with a whole, and we're eating some of those cupcakes, and we're going to have a part left over. So that means I'm going to subtract. But now I need to think, how many cupcakes did her friends eat? It says 1 row, but I need to think back, how many cupcakes are in each row? Up here it says the box had 5 rows of 6 cupcakes. I guess that means that there's 6 cupcakes in 1 row, so I'm going to subtract 6. Now, we can write that vertically if we'd like, or we can just think about breaking it up into tens. I like thinking about tens, so I'm going to break up 20 and 10, because I know 10 minus 6 is just 4. So 10 minus 6 is 4, so that means that we're going to be left over with 24 cupcakes. You guys did a really lovely job. That was a tricky problem. I have one bonus one. I'm not going to show you how to do it today, but I wonder if you can solve it on your own. This one says, Miss JS has 3 boxes of crayons with 4 crayons in each box. Miss Shemansky gives her another box of crayons. So, what is the total number of crayons that Miss JS has now? I wonder how you guys are going to figure out how to use arrays to solve this problem. That's all that we're going to work on today. You guys did a really amazing job, and I'm so proud of you and all of your hard work. And I hope that you're doing well. I love you and I miss you, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye, guys.